Do you want to launch your Flask Python application on Google Colab without buying any server? Install Flask and flask-ngrok. Download the stable version of ngrok for Linux. Extract the downloaded file. Call ngrok and set its authentication token. You can get the token freely from ngrok dashboard. In ngrok dashboard, click on Getting Started and then your auth token and copy the token. Then set your authentication and call ngrok. Then write your Flask RESTful API code. Run it and it's done. You can set this link in your website or Android or iOS app and launch your application without buying any server and using Google Colab.